Hey honeybees, let's make some veggie patties. So these are some prepared beans that I made the day before. I have my flour, my water, and my trusty Ninja. So I'm going to add my beans with the water to the Ninja. At this point, you really could add anything that you wanted. I did not add any seasoning because they were well seasoned when I cooked them. So I'm going to blend this until it becomes to my desired softness or thickness that I want for my veggies. So I have chickpea flour, flax meal, and cassava flour. I'm going to mix that together and then pour in my puree. I'll add as I need to get the desired thickness that I want. All the extras I put in the freezer. We don't waste anything, do we? All right, we don't waste it. So I'm going to go forward, and I like my veggie patty mix to be very thick because it can hold up to any scenario if I do it in the skillet, if I put it in the oven, or if I just chose to put it on the grill. Now what you want to do, this is a 1/4 cup, so you want to have uniformity with your veggie patties. You want to grease your measuring cup well so that you don't have the problem that I just had, and that is with getting your veggie patty out. You can use the palm of your hand as a guide. So you go forward and you put all of your veggie patties in the skillet. You cook them to your desired look and you're done.